but I can tell that it has yarn hair, and I'm pretty stoked for that. Okay, she said she ordered me one project. I would say that this is the project. She kind of has the triangular face. I enjoy the restoration part of it. She's got stuff in her hair. She's got sun-faded clothes. Okay, we'll see what we can do with her. Hi guys, Jenny from CabbagePatchRescue. So, I know a lot of you have seen my almost viral video about some of these girls. So, I wanted to show you the after. Don't you hate when you see the before, then you don't see the after? All of these babies have been fixed up by me in the last couple weeks. So, look how good she turned out. She was looking like a hot mess. Her original shirt could not be saved, but I found this cute little Kelly green shirt to go with her. It's kind of perfect because it's almost St. Patrick's Day. So, she turned out fantastic, guys. She is a Calico head mold too. She's going to be available on my eBay store at CabbagePatchRescue. So, she's one. This little girl, I found at my local thrift store. And she is a Babyland. And her hair was so bad. I spent forever on her hair. I washed every bit of these dolls and brought them back to near mint condition. Her hair is beautiful and luscious. I'm ready to be played with. We have this pretty passy face girl. Don't you kind of love the passy face? I love how their hand stays in them. Kind of sweet. She is a Calico head mold 1, I believe. She was a preemie, and she's ready to be loved. She looks great. Here we have a girl that needed a new body, but she is a pouty face. So I don't know if any of you had a pouty face baby, but if so, she probably reminds you of her. She's got a brand new body, and she has beautiful hair. They don't even make this color hair anymore. It's like the lightest of blondes, almost white. You know, the trend now is silver hair. Perfect for an albino also, which I have 2 aunts that are albino. So she has beautiful, beautiful hair. She's a little pouty girl. Okay, I've never seen this doll before. There was something there, and I thought it was a bug, but it's not. Whew. Okay, this comes with somebody's initials in the back of the head. This is a Mattel 1996. I wonder if this is the Barbie edition, or if she's just wearing these clothes. She's got like a purple signature, light purple. Oops, sorry baby. I don't know. Okay, so she's got blonde corn silk hair, and she's got a little bit of blue back here. She needs a lot. Now last week, I don't know if you watched my video called Helping the Homeless Dolls, but this girl was in there, and she's a little miniature. She was a Mattel 1996, and she was a Barbie edition. So she'll be available. But let's really get into it. She looks newer. She's from Playalong. Oh, I've never had Playalong before. Oh, I take that back. never mind. I have the 25th anniversary dolls. I have 2 of them and I love them and they are Playalong, but I've just recently graduated from Coleco and Hasbro and gotten a couple Playalongs. So I don't love the firmness of her body though. Like, see, I think they should be able to sit up. Okay, that's a little bit better. She's got a super fine yarn hair, which I've never seen before. Do you have this doll? Anybody? I'd love to know if you do. She's wearing newborn clothes. She has a CPK shirt, which definitely needs loved. They don't have, okay, she's a Playalong 15. I think it's kind of interesting that she doesn't have hair back here. Maybe her hair is supposed to be down, I don't know. She has blue eyes. She does kind of have a toothy smile, which is cute. She reminds me of like a younger, I wonder if she's supposed to be like a toddler doll. Okay. She'll be keeping me up late. I'll be working on her. This girl is listed on my eBay store already, and she's getting a lot of views. She must have been special to some people. She is a Playalong from 2004. So if you're about 24 years old, she might be the baby that you played with. She's looking great. Okay, so we got 2 more babies, and she looks like a dreamboat compared to the rest. She's Mattel, 1991. She's got this cute little outfit on. I would say she's probably like a 12-inch. Look at her, she's kind of cute. Her outfit looks good. She's got these little stockings with built-in shoes. And she's got like strawberry blonde hair. I've never seen one like her before. She looks like she has a pacifier mouth, but her tongue is actually there, so you couldn't get a passy in there. So compared to her brothers and sisters, she's fantastic, but I'll still give her a bath and get her cleaned up. And this girl is Mattel. She's like ready for the holidays. She's so cute. She came with this little outfit, and I love her little strawberry blonde tuft of hair. She has the corn silk hair. She's really cute. Look at this beautiful girl. She is a poodle girl. She has on a classic Cabbage Patch green gingham dress, which I actually love this color. Look at her beautiful green eyes. She has a beautiful complexion too. I thought I was gonna fix her up and let her go, but I don't know. I just love this beautiful complexion. It really looks so real. She has the wheat colored hair. You can tell that these have been in a basement. Like, I'm gonna spend hours cleaning these. She has a bright green signature. No date on that. She's from, it's the classic 1978 to 82 tag. And she's from the OK factory. I don't see any pocks. Her complexion looks beautiful. She just needs a bath. I can do that. She was in my box last week that I said I was rescuing them from the basement. Look how cute she turned out. She's wearing one of the classic twins outfits, which is from her era. She's lovely in blue. She's a poodle girl with the loop hair. And hardly bear to part with her. Okay, here's this boy. Look at him. He's got the beautiful corduroy. Checking him out. He looks like he's been in a basement. Because he has. Oh, look at this cute little duck. I haven't seen this one. Have you seen that? He's got beautiful auburn hair. Oh, it's really soft too. And brown eyes. And he also has the beautiful tan complexion. I wish I had that kind of tan, you know? Let's see. Oh, these are real buttons. ones that I have kind of look like buttons, but are Velcro. By the way, did you know that when you wash corduroy outfits, Cabbage Patch corduroy outfits bleed color forever and ever? So definitely wash them by hand multiple times because you will turn everything red. Like I had a little red and white sailor outfit and it bled the red all over the white to the point that I just couldn't fix it. So definitely use cold water. And I've started using those color catcher sheets. So they do a little bit. Okay, let's see his tag. Oh, he also has the, like, I would call it a Kelly green signature. This tag looks like he's probably never been washed. 1978 to 82, and he's also from the OK factory. Okay, so I must love the OK complexion. He's also got a Cabbage Patch shirt and jumper there. I don't know. Is it a jumper when it's a boy, or is that just a girl? I don't know. It's like an 80s thing. And then we have this guy. He's got the Auburn red loops, and his hair looks great. He's a head mold too, also Calico. And he's also in an original Calico outfit. And he has that beautiful, like, triangular face, and he's got a beautiful tan, nice blushing. Look at this little preemie. He's so cute. I love his coloring. He's Calico. He's a head mold 3. I actually already have him, or I would not get rid of him. He's wearing his original little blue sailor outfit. It's the soft felt, which I love. You know, they made it in corduroy, and they also made it in the soft felt, and this one is my preference, more cuddly. And he's got little loop lemon blonde hair, but his coloring is just gorgeous. He looks like he just got back from a day in the sun. I don't know about you, but I love a fuzzy. He's from Hong Kong, and he's a head mold 2, and I actually have his twin. And if I didn't have his twin, he would not be going anywhere, because I actually really love just the feeling that you get from resting your head on his fuzzy hair. And he's looking great. Nothing wrong with him. He's in original clothes from his era. He's ready to come find you. This girl looked really unloved when I got her last week. But look how cute she turned out. She's like ready for winter. She's in original CPK clothes. And she's just perfect. She's like so happy and lovable. I love her. I'm really proud of how she turned out. All these babies have been completely washed by hand, scrubbed, every stain gotten out, every germ disposed of. I redid their hair. I put them in original clothes. I'm really happy with how I was able to rescue them. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of these guys, they're going to be on my eBay store, CabbagePatchRescue. And thanks for joining. Please like and subscribe and share if you haven't already. I'd love to know, do you have any of these dolls? Are these the kind of dolls you like? Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.